I'm about to show you 3 ChatGPT prompts that I use every day in my business. This covers everything from content creation to emails to problem solving. If you don't bookmark anything else, bookmark these 3. Quick note, I have my ChatGPT knowledge base already set up from the previous video. So all of my responses are going to be catered to my business and my audience. So when you use these same prompts, if your knowledge base is set up, it will cater to your business and your audience. If you haven't seen that video yet or don't have your knowledge base set up, please go look at the video in the description. My name is Abdul with Just Start Automating, and let's get straight into it. So I have my first prompt here. So act as a content marketing assistant to create a post. I want to say LinkedIn post about time saving automations for my target audience, which is busy small business owners. Make it professional and friendly, and include a clear call to action. Keep it under 150 characters and focus on being practical. Now, since I have my knowledge base, it's going to give me a response based on that. So it does the craft and then it gives me everything. Repetitive tasks eating up your day. Automation can help you reclaim hours each week without complex tech and hefty budget. From auto scheduling appointments to invoice follow ups, simple workflows on make.com, Airtable, free you to focus on growth. Ready to see how automation fits your business? DM me for a free 15-minute strategy call or comment below with your biggest time drain. Let's streamline your day so you can get back to what matters most. So that's pretty good. All right, now let's move on to our second prompt. So we're going to write a professional email. So let's write a professional email to a potential client about our call earlier. Tone should be friendly and motivational. Length should be under 300 characters. Include a request for a strategy session. And make sure to address email automation needs. So that's our second one. We're going to give it a couple seconds and it's going to give us something amazing. Okay. Hey, whoever the customer is, great talking to you today about streamlining your email workflows. I'm excited to help you automate follow-ups and boost engagement. Can we schedule a 30-minute strategy session next week to map out your email automation? Let me know what time works, Abdul. So that's pretty good too. So let's get into the last ChatGPT prompt. So this one is going to be a problem solver. Help me solve this business challenge. We're going to say following up with the same questions. Give me 3 practical solutions, pros and cons for each. Consider my constraints of limited time and budget. And prioritize solutions that are easy or fast to implement. Let's see what we get. So there it goes. So it gave us a banger. So it's basically telling us that we should use CRM, centralize all past answers, automate tracking reminders, and a built-in search so you can avoid duplicate questions. And then, you have manual entry, learning curve, tier limits, and then they have a couple of more options. So like Gmail templates to make things faster. Let's see, and then intake form. So gathering all the questions at once and then being able to answer them. Of course, it feels less personal. Clients may skip or rush through the form. So yeah, they're pretty good answers. So those are the three prompts that I use every day, from creating content to responding to client emails to even problem solving for me. Thank you. Also, if you need help setting any of this up, I do offer 15-minute free consultation strategy calls, and let's just start automating.